Hello traders, welcome to yet another video, and this one will be a quick one with the GAMAL FOREX guys. So I'm in a trade and I wish to share it with you guys, wish to show you how I'm going to manage the trade, and that's the BTC USD, our most recent breakdown on the traders inside. So guys, if we hit a home run on this one, we'll be bagging not less than $1,200. And guys, guess what, we are only risking $120. That's the power of Forex. So guys, let me show you what I'm talking about.
Okay guys, thank you once more and welcome back to my channel. Please, today most especially I'm just going to be sharing with you potential entries I'll be having in the market. So before we head into that, I want to plead with those that are new to click on the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and let's get into it. So guys, I'll be starting with my exam very soon, so I won't be around for a bit. So I'm just going to give a run up on everything I anticipate on doing, and that's the nice thing with the way I trade, which is I don't have to be on the chart most often. So like you saw on the thumbnail, this is the main thing we are here for. So the BTC USD. So for BTC USD, guys, I won't even take you to the weekly. So you already know if you watched the last breakdown I did, I already told you what I was looking for on BTC, and behold, our predictions were fulfilled. So currently I'm on BTC USD, and I remember saying on the last video that I was waiting BTC to hit 24k. So we did that, but we went down only to 24,900. So at 24,900 I just placed some skin around $420 into the market, which I'm going to show in the image that follows now. I just placed the skin there, and currently we are up, I think, $200 plus $200+. So this is what I was saying on the BTC USD. So I saw this trend line. So at the time I was taking this trade, you see we have retested the neckline already, even though we did not tap into it correctly, but we retested it. So at the time I was taking this trade, where my main concern was this counter trend line here, which at the moment I'm recording this video, we have clearly broken past it. So basically what I'll do is I'll wait for a retest of this counter trend line, then I'll stack in more trade. But for now, my potential risk, my potential reward is $600 on this particular trade. So that's it for BTC USD. So you just have to wait for a retest of the trend line, then you can look for means to stack up. For that, you just have to go to the lower time frame. So I won't be doing that here. Very soon I'll be starting a new series on where I'll be taking newbies from the newbie stage to pros. So the next is the next is the gold. The next is gold, guys. I won't even lie to you. For everybody that has been watching the previous breakdown for gold, we had that we're going to wait for a breakout of break of this trend line here, and a break of this bar to enter the trade. So to be honest with you, I'm in this trade, but I'm risking only about $60. So that's just the little skin I placed in the market. So currently in this trade I'm in profit of about $10 already. Now let me not say already, this trade has been running to draw down for a bit, so it's actually trying to make the move now. So I think once we have a daily close below this yellow bar, as I can see now, so we are going to head lower. So, and if this plays out, I think for the long run this is going to be my the pair I'll be trading only. So after the BTC will be done, I'll focus more on this one. I think since I have skin here already, once we clearly break below this yellow bar, I'm going to I'm going to raise my risk to about $150, and I'm going to watch out for some potential hiccups areas like here. And once I see any pullback within this space that we are operating in, I'm going to start in more trades till we run down to this point. So that's it for BTC USD. Sorry guys for gold. So let's go to the next. The next I'll be looking at is actually the EUROCAD. For EUROCAD guys, I call this trade and you can see we fulfill this trade. So for EUROCAD, my analysis for it still holds. So if you haven't watched my EUROCAD video for that, I think that should be the very first trader insight video I did. You have to go and see it to understand this. So for EUROCAD, I said so long as we trade below this yellow bar, we are heading to this area, which we have done. So currently EUROCAD is like in a pullback, if I may say. It's in a pullback. I don't know when this pullback is going to end, but what I know is it's pulling back in a trending manner, so that's even good for me. So once we break this trend line, I'm going to jump into this trade again. And I think we are trying to come back here. So if you do not catch shares, you have to remain vigilant in the case we get here. But in the case we don't get here, this trend line is going to guide you. So once we break this trend line, we retest it, then feel free to shoot right so this most recent point. But overall, once we break this major key level here for EUROCAD, once we break this key level, it's game over. We are heading down to this point. Once we hit this key level right about here, we are heading down to this next zone here. So just watch out. So on the long run, this is what is really going to make us money. So just watch out for it. And the next one on the list is it's a disappointment, but currently I just have to do what the market gives me. But if it doesn't behave the way I want it, I'm not going to force the trade. So the next one on the list is the GBP USD. As you can see, there was a clear break of the trend line here. So I have touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, which tried to respect, then faked and went back up. So what I'm currently seeing for GBP USD is one, for me to look at this market. And guys, I'm not even compelled, since I'm seeing the grass is green on the other pairs I've just spoken about. I'm not even compelled to look at this pair in particular. So, but if I'm to trade this, given that we have broken this trend line, our next level target is at least here. Our next level target is at least to this point here. So it's at least to this point here. So if I'm to take my position side calculator, see from here to here, you are in for about how many pips? You're in for 300 pips. And once you break here, our next level target is going to be somewhere here. Sorry guys, I just have to rush with this because I'm actually studying. I didn't even want to do this video. I just said no, I have to do it. I have to stay committed. So our next level target is going to be on this on this touch of the trend line, which you can see is 1000 pips. But let's be conservative. So our stop loss will be somewhere below this yellow bar. But first of all, okay, let me finish what I want to say before. Our first level target, once we bounce off the yellow bar, is going to be here. That's around 1.300, and once we clear this level, our next level target is here. Once we clear, our next level target is here. Once we clear, we are getting to the key level. So that's it for this thing for GBP USD. But what I want to see on GBP USD first, I want to see a clear retest. So I'm expecting the market to come and do a base, like come and do a base on this yellow bar just about here. So I want the market to come and sit here, test this, then go back up, reject. Then I'm going to say, okay, you are good to go, get something of this sort, like just like that. And then first level target is going to be here. So that's how I'm going to trade it. And first level target is going to be here. And then you can see the risk to reward is good, but you have to go down to the 4 hour. So I'm just giving a broad eye view of what I'll be thinking on this trade. So once we come here, form a base, play around here, it's either we break and come back into this trend line, then I'm not going to trade it till further notice. But if we come form a base, then reject with a bullish candle, strong bullish candle on the day, strong daily close, bullish candle daily close, I'm going to take the buy to this point. So once so long as we haven't done that, I'm not interested in this market. So right now I can see the market is trying to come back to this point, which is a good sign for now. So I'm not predicting what the market is going to do. I'm going to just let you run. So let's go to the next. So for the next one, I think is New Zealand USD. For New Zealand USD, what I'm actually saying is, see guys, for New Zealand USD, it's another one. So if everything goes on well, I'm going to also make a lot of money on this one. So I've seen the market break this on a weekly, strong weekly candle. So break this after this consolidation. So I was like, okay, we want to head lower to this zone here, and the market has done what it does. After a break, it has to pull back. So for this pullback, what I'm looking at for the New Zealand, let me come to the daily. I'm seeing something like I've drawn a counter trend line. So I've done a counter trend line for this one. Let me just come on the 4 hours so you can see it properly. I've done a counter trend line on New Zealand, and it's going to guide me. So long as we trade above this counter trend line, I'm not interested. But once we break it and retest, guys, I'm taking this trade. First level target is going to be here. First level target, if we break, I'm going to take first level target is going to be here. So 124 pips. But once we break this, just have to look to the left. But once we break this, I think we'll be heading to this level here. So we are talking about the potential 500 pips drop. So for now, that's what I see on New Zealand. So, but for the main part, I'll be trading. Let me come to my watch and my red list. For the main part, I'll be trading. I'll be mostly looking at gold, because gold is what is looking very promising at this point. So, and if you don't break this yellow bar, I'm going to be really disappointed. But I'm just a retail trader, so what the market tells me wants to do, that's what we are going to do. But just know I have a little skin in the market for the moment, which is not really much, so I'm not too scared. So once I can see a strong daily close here, guys, we'll be heading lower, and we're heading lower to come and there's this bad boy here, the second leg of the trend line, the second touch. So that's it for the coming week. That's what I can see for the market coming back, coming to the future. So Tell me if I'm wrong. You can drop your comments in the comment section below, and that's it for a period. So see you after exams, guys. Wish me luck. I'm currently stressed out. Like, I don't know. I'm just currently stressed out. But just wish me luck. So that's it for now. And okay, I also wanted to say that I'll be starting a series which with the aim of taking newbies from the baby stage, from the newbie stage, like you don't know anything about forex, to the intermediate and or the pro level, depending on your devotion to the craft. So everything, I'll be dropping the videos, but at the end of the day, you are the one that has to make the choice to dedicate yourself. So that's what we'll be doing after exam, let's say from 1 week from now. So just anticipate for that. So with that said, peace out, take care of yourself.